Alright, it's Thursday, it's 11 o'clock, I just got home from class, and lo and behold, there's a mystery package from Topps. I have no idea what this is, or what they're sending me. I hope it's something good. We'll find out together, won't we? It's a big pile of brown paper. It's a box of Topps Finest Football. Alright. Yeah, why not? Let's rip it. It's the same format as the baseball. 2 mini boxes. You know the deal. 6 packs in a mini box. 5 cards in a pack. I'm pretty sure you get an autograph in one of those lovely autographed patch cards that everyone seems to love in a mini box. Let's see. Kurt Warner, Dion Butler, a refractor of Sean Green from South Jersey. Joe Flacco, also from South Jersey, and Brian Rubitsky. Number 2, I got Hakeem Nicks, Damian Tomlinson, a refractor numbered to 429 of Tyson Jackson, Frank Gore, and Jarrett Dillard. Okay, this is the thick one, so I'm going to save that one for later. Open up the rest of the packs. Hines Ward, Greg Jennings, Jeremy Maclin, numbered to 199. Can't really tell the colors of the refractors. But Eli Manning and Mark Sanchez. I'm keeping that Jeremy Maclin. Patrick Turner, Ronnie Brown. I'm keeping this one too. Donovan McNabb, numbered to 429 refractor. Brian Westbrook, Chris Johnson. Jason Smith. I got 2 refractors in this pack. A Reggie Bush, unnumbered, and a Donald Brown, numbered to 75. Jeremy Witten and Jeremy Maclin. Jason Witten and Jeremy Maclin. Alright, this is the thick pack. Remember, I'm not a pack searcher, I just play one on YouTube. Shady McCoy, a refractor of Andre Brown. Here's our big mojo hit, I'll save that for last. D'Angelo Williams, Kenny Britt, and our big mojo hit in the pack is an autographed player-worn jersey of Mike Thomas, numbered to 409. Alright, so that's mini box number 1. Mini box number 2. Just take a look at the checklist here real fast. Get one of these in a mini box. And this apparently is a variation of the base card. Cards 61 through 100 are available as either regular cards or relic variations. And then 101 to 130 are only available as letter patches. Yeah, I wish letter patches would just go away, but Donald Brown, Matt Forte, get a refractor of Calvin Johnson, unnumbered, TJ Hushman-Zode, and Reggie Wayne. Marion Barber, Matthew Stafford, Maurice Jones-Drew refractor numbered to 429, Anquan Bolden, and Andre Brown. Matt Castle, a Joseph Adai refractor, Josh Freeman, Reggie Bush, and we got our letter patch, and it's Rashard Jenkins. This is numbered 10 of 10. This is a refractor, but being that this is a letter patch, it's not really numbered to 10 because there's different ones for each letter. So I'm Jennings. So there's 8 letters in his name. So I'm guessing there's 8 different letter patches. It's a stupid idea. Just get rid of these, please. Thank you. End of rant. Aaron Curry, Tom Brady, a Mike Wallace refractor, numbered to 199. Clinton Portis and Tom Brandstater. 2 more packs to go. Rhett Bomar, Purple Jesus, a Dion Butler refractor, numbered to 429. Wendell White and Dwayne Bowe. And the last one. Sean Jackson, Braylon Edwards, a Sean Green refractor, Mike Wallace, Brandon Marshall. Alright, so there's a full box of Topps Finest. I got a stack of base cards. I got a whole bunch of colorful refractors. Ooh. Let's see, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 unnumbered. I actually got 2 Sean Greens unnumbered, and one of them has this flat finish and the other has this pebbled finish. I actually wound up getting 2 of the pebbled finish ones. Let's see what they call them here. A gold refractor. It looks like this is the pigskin gold refractors. So I got 4 of the gold refractors, which are unnumbered. 2 pigskin gold refractors, which are unnumbered. 4 refractors numbered to 429. Dion Butler, MJD, McNabb, and Tyson Jackson. I got 2 numbered to 199 of Mike Wallace and Jeremy Maclin. And I got a Donald Brown numbered to 75. And my big mojo hits were a Mike Thomas autograph, jersey card numbered to 409. And sadly, I got a letter patch of Rashard Jenkins numbered to 10. So, all in all, not bad, I suppose, if you like football. If anybody's interested in any of these cards, hit me up. Late. Oh, and thanks to Topps for sending me these cards. It's a rip. Thanks.